Hey guys, how are you doing? In this video, we are going to see the ASMR unboxing of iPad Pro, 11-inch iPad Pro M4 processor 2024 model, and then we will quickly see the comparison of display with previous generation of iPad Pro model, the same 11-inch, and the latest OLED iPad Pro. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and here we can quickly boot up the iPad Pro 11-inch M4 processor 2024 model, and you can see the Apple logo now appears in the landscape mode, not just on the latest iPad Pro, also with the previous iPad voice releases. I started to notice that with my M1 iPad Pro, I'm seeing the same Apple logo on the landscape view. So hereafter, iPads are going to, be more in terms of landscape instead of the portrait angle, it seems, as a default configuration. And inside the box, we can see the instruction manuals available there, and the Apple stickers were missing. I was expecting it. Maybe for saving the environment, Apple must have removed the stickers. We also have the 20-watt adapter, just like the last year's box, and then inside we have the USB-C to USB-C braided cable. That's all the contents of the box, and let's pick up the iPad Pro M4 processor 2024 model, and you can see the blacks are, the text readability and everything is perfect. Immediately I'm not able to see the OLED difference, but when I walk through with the setup wizard, when I turn on the dark mode, I started to notice the black color is really a lot different than my previous gen iPad Pro that I'm using every day. And when I pick up the iPad Pro for the first time after entering the home screen, I can see the 120 Hz ProMotion is something I'm used to. Apart from that, the icons, the colors, everything is a bit vibrant and quite sharp. When I navigate inside the settings, display and brightness, after turning on the dark mode, you can see the black is so beautiful on the display, and the white texts are kind of lit up. Overall, it's very perfect is the term I like to use here. And this display operates in 1000 nits brightness, and if you play any HDR content, the video demo right now we are seeing is HDR content, and it automatically switches to 1600 nits brightness. And overall you can see that the subject with black background is kind of literally floating on my hand, is what I felt actually while viewing this video. It's definitely a beautiful display for watching your favorite movies with very crisp and clear details, and the tandem OLED that Apple have implemented with this iPad Pro, the right decision. But it's a bit late. I was expecting the OLED iPad Pro 11-inch models almost with the last generations, but only the 12.9-inch model have got the mini LED that is kind of giving the OLED kind of experience. But anyhow, we now have the 11-inch iPad Pro with OLED display, and you can see on the left it is a comparison with my M1 iPad Pro 11-inch, which I'm using it for quite some time. It has a screen protector on, but still you can see the gray color background at the top and bottom, and in the surrounding the content. But on the right side, the OLED is kind of taking effect, and you can see the difference very clearly. So if you are in an oscillation to choose whether the latest iPad Pro models is worth for the money or not, I think with additional small difference compared to the previous gen, Apple have made these upgrades, and I'm sure that this is absolutely worth. If you're someone who want the OLED display experience on your hand while watching videos, or while working with any of your favorite contents, or while reading text in portrait or landscape mode and sketchworks, etc. This is going to be a beautiful display experience. Thanks for watching, and for more, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.